In this video, you'll learn how to change your phone number on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully update your contact information within your account settings. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, find the option labeled Security in the menu. In this section, look for the area dedicated to your phone number or mobile verification. You should see an option labeled Change or Update next to the phone number field. If this option is not immediately visible, check under the subcategories titled Verification or Security Methods. Before proceeding, ensure you have access to your email and the Authenticator app, as Binance will require these for verification. Next, Binance will initiate a series of security checks to verify your identity. You might be prompted to enter a one-time password sent to your email. If requested, also provide the Authenticator code from your app. In certain situations, Binance may send an SMS to your old phone number as an additional verification step. If you no longer have access to that old number, look for the Can Access Recovery option displayed on your screen. It is crucial to follow these prompts exactly, as skipping any step may prevent you from making changes to your phone number. After completing the verification process, the next step is to enter your new phone number. Make sure to include the correct country code to avoid any issues. Once you have entered your new number, request the SMS code that will be sent to this new number. After receiving the code, enter it into the provided field. Once you submit this information, wait for a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. This step is essential as it ensures that your new contact information is correctly registered in the system. Once the confirmation appears, it is advisable to log out of your Binance account and then log back in. This will allow you to verify that your new phone number is functioning correctly within your account settings. If you notice any delays in the changes being reflected, it may be due to a security cooldown period imposed by Binance. If this occurs, simply wait for the cooldown period to pass, as indicated in the app, before attempting to log in again. That wraps up today's guide on changing your phone number on Binance. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.